preview.
Hey friends, I'm excited for Get From Long Vlog, and today we are going to draw a bridge, a scenery for a bridge.
So basically we are going to draw a bridge.
Yeah,
Okay, so let's start.
drawing the bridge.
What do we need to draw?
No,
What do we need to draw?
what do
Black sketch pen. We are using Sharpies.
you can use pencil as well
Yes. And a white.
because you can erase pencils are erasable.
Yes. What is next?
What? Papers
Papers and a
some
few colors.
colors.
Let's start drawing. Okay, so let's start with the bridge.
It's a little confusing.
It's a little confusing, yeah. How do we make it? Okay, let's first make the bridge handle. The bridge railing that we'll use to hold the bridge. Okay?
It's Corona time. So why will anybody touch the bridge also? Touch the handle.
Right. Very smart.
It's coronavirus time.
Okay? Similarly, the other side. This will be a little wider
Why?
because this will look like we are drawing it from the closer side. This will be the closer side. Okay?
Yeah.
Now next would be we make the bridge path.
This is going to be a little confusing.
Yeah, a little confusing.
But that's for fast and not be confused. I'm getting a little confused. Why did you have make this line?
I'll show you.
Do we really need these lines? Papa,
Yes.
I don't think so I will be able to draw it.
Why, beta?
Because see,
Yes, you can.
I made it in the corner.
Okay. Now you can make the
What is this?
This is the bridge pathway.
Now, whatever you make me confused. I do not able to color it.
Just follow me.
And I can't understand what is this.
Oh, this is the bridge. This is the path on which we will walk, and this will be the 1, 2, 3. Okay. Got it?
What is this?
So this will be the ground.
You already made this ground for me.
This is the river.
Oh, you did make this river.
Okay. This is the mountain.
Papa, I want something.
Now what we do is okay.
This is a little confusing drawing.
Once we color it, it will look nice. Just follow me. These are the handles.
Now can I start coloring?
Yes, you can.
But let's make the sun and the clouds.
Okay. Now these are the done. Now the bridge, the walkway. This is where people will walk.
I did not do the walkway. The design.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, let's start coloring.
We can make a few grasses. Okay. We'll use brown color for the bridge, okay?
Brown, red, and the special color.
So kids, let's talk. Kids, what kids?
What?
You can go slow if the drawing is looking a little confusing to you. You
Yeah.
can go slow. You can pause the drawing. You can stop the drawing, and
You can slow the drawing.
yes, you can slow the drawing. And parents,
And in this part,
yes,
we are going to do the coloring a little
Coloring.
fast because you are not going to get bored.
yeah, we'll be coloring it a little fast. And parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us
on Instagram
and tag us
at the Kids
Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club. And we have a surprise. You can buy the step-by-step learning books on Amazon Kindle from our website www.kidsfunlearnclub.com. So we will be waiting for you. And when you buy the books, you also get a lot of surprise gifts. Who does not love? No, this will be brown. This is the river. This will be blue color.
Should I color it now? What would you do?
Yeah.
Why?
Don't color the river then.
I just made it.
And
What sun is that?
that is a bright, angry sun. And these are the birds. these are the grasses. Whew. I'm done. Oh my god, this was a tough drawing. Isn't it? Are you done, Parikshit? Give me.
This is a better color than that color.
But this does not look green. Oh! Cover it. So we are done drawing the beach and the mountains. Sorry, not the beach. The bridge. The bridge and the mountains and the river and the grass and the sun and the clouds and the birds. So,
But do like and subscribe my channel.
do like and subscribe our channel if you love the drawing.
If you love the drawing, if you subscribe, I'm going to take care of my papa a lot.
Oh.
The whole night.
Until then, have a good day. Bye bye.